The Shark IZ562H Pro Cordless Vacuum has completely revolutionized my clean routine and couldn't be more impressed with its performance and versatility. From its innovative features to its powerful suction, this vacuum is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their cleaning experience. One of the cool standout features for me is the Clean Sense IQ technology, where this thing basically detects dust particles, dirt, etc., and adjusts the power accordingly. So it does the maximum efficiency when it's vacuuming. Additionally, it has this built-in odor neutralizer. It eliminates pet odor, leaves your home smelling fresh and clean every single time. So the Paraffin Plus right there is definitely a game changer in terms of getting that deep cleaning for your carpets, removing that pet hair. For this vacuum, the convenience of the cordless design is absolutely great. You don't have to wrangle the cord and unplug it in different rooms, trying to get around corners of the wall. It's a great thing to get there vacuum quickly and efficiently. So this Shark comes with a wide range of attachments to tackle any clean desire you want, whether it be like some small cracks between the car seats, take it out there, or just pet hair stuck on a stubborn rug. This vacuum comes with a high capacity battery, lasts up to 50 minutes of runtime on a single charge. So usually I can use it 2 or 3 times before I have to recharge the device. So in conclusion, I definitely recommend this vacuum. It's very powerful, it's convenient, it's cordless, you can hit all the corners there, it's technology built in so it can do that blue laser and figure out where the dust particle is at and automatically adjust the power setting.